here it is. I promised to unbox this here, and you know you're going to see good things coming forward with this. Le Creuset. Well, it's one of our favorite cooking devices. The Le Creuset cast iron pans. I haven't found a better cast iron way to cook, and I look forward to every one of these nice orange boxes coming in the door. Rick's not here right now, but I'm just going to unbox this and show you it, and when he's back here we'll be cooking something good in it. So let's just take a look. Here's what we're getting in this box. It's a special that we saw on the Dutch oven. It's a 5 1/4 quart capacity, and we like the color of flame for this one. And you can see at the bottom of the box, the glare is really hard to get away from, but because it's shiny, but it shows all the ways that you can use it: inductions, ceramic, gas, electric, radiant ring, oven, and the dishwasher. That's where this pan can go. Let's take a look inside. Okay, superior packaging here to keep everything safe. First is the lid. Now, not all the Le Creuset pans have this lid handle, but this one does. Look how pretty that color is. The gradient flame color. It was one of the original colors for this company, and I think it's still one of the best. Very heavy, and it's ceramic coated inside too. Alright, we have a little book about the company and about the pans. There's no recipes in it, but there's a lot of great pictures for ideas, and it tells about the history of the company, which started in 1925. You know, they've been around for a while, they know what they're doing, and it shows all the different styles of Le Creuset cookware that they make. And it shows some of the information from the factory and how it performs, how to care for it and use it. And it shows cooking that's done in all different countries: Netherlands, Portugal, Germany. Really neat to see. I like to try all those recipes. I'll have to find some of them on their website. They have recipes. Here's a recipe collection made for the Dutch oven, and that looks like a nice recipe to try today. It's a round deep Dutch oven, 5 1/2 quarts. Oh my gosh, look at these recipes. Where do we begin? Well, we'll have to try one with pasta in it for a pasta word. Alright, here's the pot. Here's what we're waiting for. Look at this. Wow. What a great sized pot. Look at the beautiful colors. Isn't that nice? And inside, perfect enamel coating. These enamel coatings really allow you to clean up quick and easy, and also the quality of your cooking because of the nice even heat that this pot holds. Many times I turn the stove off and let the cast iron pan do the rest of the cooking. This can also be put in the oven, which is nice for roasting a chicken or roasting a roast beef or some nice veggie stew. Oh gosh, I can't wait to try this. Okay, come back again real soon and we'll be trying out this lovely pot. And also I'll put a link in our description where you can come up with that pot for yourself. But this is really something I'm looking forward to. Thanks for watching the unboxing video. Rick and I will be back real soon with some nice pasta recipes for the Le Creuset Dutch oven. Thanks for watching.